Hi everyone, welcome to my video, and today I will be talking about viruses and bacteria. Let's go! Viruses and bacteria. What kind of question pops in your mind? Have you heard of them? Are they just the same? Are they harmful to ourselves or not? Let's take a look at their definition. Bacteria are classified as prokaryotes, which are single-cell organisms with a simple internal structure that lacks a nucleus and contains DNA that either floats freely in nuclei or plasmid. Ribosomes are the spherical units in the bacterial cell where proteins are assembled from individual amino acids using the information encoded in ribosomal RNA. These organisms can live in soil, the ocean, and inside of the human gut. Human relationship with bacteria is quite complex. Sometimes bacteria lend us a helping hand, but sometimes they are quite destructive. While, on the other hand, viruses are microscopic parasites, generally much smaller than bacteria. They contain the key elements that make up all living organisms, the nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. On the other hand, viruses lack the capacity to independently read and act upon the information contained within these nucleic acids. They can only reproduce by attaching themselves to the cells. In most cases, they reprogram the cells to make new viruses until the cells burst and die.
Now, let us see the similarities and the differences between bacteria and viruses. Bacteria are living organisms and unicellular, while viruses are non-living organisms and it have no cell. Bacteria are much larger in size, which are about 1000 nanometer, while viruses are much smaller than bacteria, which are about 20 to 400 nanometer. Bacteria undergoes fission as a sexual reproduction, while viruses invade host cell, taking control of it, and copies the DNA or RNA, and lastly, it destroys the host cell. Bacteria can be treated with antibiotics, while viruses cannot be treated with antibiotics. Both of them have no nuclei, cause disease, using air as spread medium, and are capable of killing and raging humans.
Now,
Let us see the comparison of COVID-19 and flu virus. Flu virus show its symptoms on the first until the fourth days after exposure, while COVID-19 show its symptoms on the first until the 14 days after exposure. Flu is likely caused by influenza viruses, and there are many kinds of strains, while COVID-19 is caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus. Flu complications are less likely to occur because of immunity built up over time, while COVID-19 complications, severe respiratory complications, may come on extremely quickly. The flu have come with a prevention with flu shots, while COVID-19 preventions are self-isolation. The similarities between both of the two are transmitted by respiratory droplets from an infected person, and it will cause fever, cough, and fatigue. For more clearer vision, this is the symptom that's shown by the person who got infected by COVID-19. Here are some suggestions on how to prevent yourself from COVID-19.
Now that we have come to the end, and that is all for my video. I hope all of you stay safe during this pandemic, and don't forget to wear your mask and bring along hand sanitizer. Bye bye!